In this video, I'm going to show you how to download or export assets from a Figma project. The exact method depends on your access level, whether you're an editor or a viewer, and whether you're working in design mode or dev mode. Let's start with the most common situation, exporting individual elements in design mode. This is typically used by designers who have editing access to the file. First, select the object you want to export. This can be a layer, a group, or an entire frame. Once selected, go to the right sidebar and scroll down until you see the export section. Click the plus icon to add an export setting. From there, you can configure the size and format. You can choose scaling options like 1x, 2x for Retina displays, or define a specific width, such as 500 pixels. Then select the file format you need, whether that's PNG, JPEG, SVG, or PDF. Once everything is set, click the Export button, and Figma will download the file to your computer. Now, if you're a developer inspecting the file, you'll likely be working in dev mode. To activate it, toggle dev mode in the top right corner of the interface. Once you're in dev mode, select the element you're interested in. In the right sidebar, under the Inspect tab, you'll see an Asset section. If the selected element contains exportable resources like images, icons, or videos, you'll be able to download them directly from there. This is especially useful for developers who need quick access to production-ready assets without modifying the design file. If you need to export multiple elements at once, Figma also supports bulk export. To do this, use the keyboard shortcut Shift-Command-E on Mac or Shift-Control-E on Windows. A pop-up window will appear showing all elements in the file that already have export settings configured. You can select the ones you want and click Export to download them all at once. This is a huge time saver when preparing asset packages for development or handoff. There are also a few special cases worth knowing. If you need to download an original video file used in the design, switch to dev mode, select the video frame, and download it directly from the asset section. If you want to save a complete backup of the entire project as a local.fig file, go to the main menu, click File, and choose Save Local Copy. This will download the full project to your computer. And finally, if you want to export a specific area of the canvas that doesn't match a single layer or frame, you can use the Slice tool. Activate it using the S key. Draw a custom area over the part of the design you want to export, and then configure export settings for that slice just like any other object. Exporting from Figma is flexible and efficient once you understand the different modes and options. Whether you're exporting a single icon, a full set of assets, a video, or even the entire project file, Figma gives you the tools to handle every scenario smoothly.